Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Royal Enfield Classic 500. In the realm of cruiser motorcycles, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 emerges as a timeless and iconic choice, offering beginners an entry into the enchanting world of cruising. With its vintage design, thumping engine, and a commitment to heritage, the Classic 500 stands as the best beginner cruiser motorcycle from the storied Royal Enfield stable. In this exploration, we delve into the characteristics that make the Royal Enfield Classic 500 an ideal choice for beginners, providing a harmonious blend of retro charm, accessible performance, and a nostalgic introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. Nostalgic design with timeless appeal. The Royal Enfield Classic 500 immediately captures attention with its nostalgic design that pays homage to the brand's rich heritage. The bike's classic cruiser silhouette, teardrop fuel tank, distinctive headlamp, and vintage-inspired details evoke a sense of timeless charm. The Classic 500's design is a nod to the golden era of motorcycling, offering riders a visually appealing cruiser that seamlessly blends retro aesthetics with modern craftsmanship. The attention to detail in every curve and chrome accent reinforces the Classic 500's status as a cruiser that not only transports riders but also immerses them in the heritage of Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield's commitment to a nostalgic design in the Classic 500 reflects the brand's understanding of the enduring appeal of classic cruisers and their significance for riders embarking on their motorcycling journey. Thumping performance of the single-cylinder heart. Powering the Royal Enfield Classic 500 is a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers the distinctive thump synonymous with Royal Enfield motorcycles. The engine's character is a key aspect of the Classic 500's appeal, providing riders with a unique and engaging riding experience. The thumping heartbeat of the single-cylinder engine not only adds to the cruiser's personality but also delivers a smooth and controllable power delivery, making it an ideal companion for riders in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. Royal Enfield's focus on the thumping performance of the Classic 500 aligns with the brand's commitment to preserving the authentic and distinctive riding experience that has made Royal Enfield a timeless icon in the cruiser segment. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed rides. True to the cruiser ethos, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 offers comfortable ergonomics that cater to leisurely rides and extended journeys. The bike features a laid-back riding posture, well-padded seats, and wide handlebars, allowing riders to adopt a relaxed stance. The comfortable ergonomics ensure that beginners can enjoy the joy of cruising without sacrificing comfort, making the Classic 500 an ideal choice for riders who appreciate the unhurried pace of exploration on two wheels. Royal Enfield's attention to comfortable ergonomics in the Classic 500 reflects the brand's commitment to providing riders with a cruiser that prioritizes both style and rider well-being during extended cruising sessions. User-friendly features for seamless riding. The Royal Enfield Classic 500 is equipped with a range of user-friendly features that enhance the overall riding experience for beginners. From the smooth throttle response to the easy clutch engagement, every aspect of the bike is designed to make the learning curve more gradual and enjoyable. Additionally, the Classic 500 may come with modern conveniences such as an analog-digital instrument cluster, providing riders with essential information in a clear and easily readable format. These user-friendly features contribute to a seamless and enjoyable introduction to cruiser riding. The inclusion of user-friendly features in the Classic 500 underscores Royal Enfield's commitment to providing entry-level riders with a cruiser that is not only stylish but also intuitive and accommodating. Authentic cruiser handling and performance. The Royal Enfield Classic 500 excels in delivering authentic cruiser handling and performance. With a relaxed geometry and a well-tuned suspension system, the bike offers a stable and confident ride, allowing beginners to experience the true essence of cruising. The Classic 500's performance is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about savoring the journey and reveling in the cruiser lifestyle. Whether navigating city streets or cruising along scenic highways, the Classic 500 provides a riding experience that encapsulates the spirit of freedom and adventure. Royal Enfield's emphasis on authentic cruiser handling and performance in the Classic 500 reflects the brand's commitment to creating motorcycles that resonate with the core values of cruising, providing a platform for beginners to immerse themselves in the timeless allure of the open road. Cultural impact and community connection. The Royal Enfield Classic 500 has made a significant impact on motorcycle culture, creating a community of riders who appreciate its blend of classic design and accessible performance.